Life's busy. Between work, family, and everything in between, who has time to spend hours analyzing charts, studying indicators, and making sense of complex Forex strategies? But what if I told you that you could trade the Forex market successfully in just 5 minutes a day? That's right. This strategy is designed for busy people just like you, people who want to dip into the Forex market without spending hours glued to their screens. Let's break it down. First, pick a highly liquid currency pair like EUR, USD, GBP, USD, or USD, JPY. These pairs tend to have tighter spreads and higher volume, making them ideal for short-term strategies. Next, set your chart to the 5-minute time frame. This helps you capture quick moves in the market and trade efficiently within your limited time. Now, to keep things simple, apply a key indicator like the RSI, Relative Strength Index, or a moving average. These indicators will help you identify overbought and oversold conditions or give you a sense of the market's momentum. Once you see a clear signal, like the RSI crossing above 70 for a potential sell, or below 30 for a buy, or a moving average crossover, it's time to make your move. Place your trade and set your stop loss right away to protect yourself. Risk management is key. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your trading capital on a single trade. Remember, the goal is to trade smart, not hard. And that's it. In just 5 minutes, you've placed a calculated trade and can now move on with the rest of your day. With the 5-minute Forex trading strategy, you don't need hours in front of your screen. Just a few minutes of focus, a clear strategy, and the right mindset. So, if you're busy but still want to succeed in Forex, this strategy is for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more quick and effective Forex tips. See you in the next video.